Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and Miss Catty Cat is in there scratching. Sorry about that. So, man, I thought she was done. Anybody else's cat's excessive scratchers? Y'all, she scratches and scratches and scratches and then doesn't even cover up. Oh my goodness, it drives us crazy, especially at night. And they're right here on top of us in the bedroom. Oh my goodness. What can you do? I don't even know. Alright, so today we have EarFleek. EarFleek is a monthly earring subscription. They send you one pair of earrings each month. It is $3.49 a month for this pair of earrings. There is another tier, a premium tier that you can get. It's $9.93. I haven't tried that tier. I've just stayed at this bottom tier. This is a great budget-friendly way to get some different earrings. The last ones that I ordered, there was a stone missing. I contacted them. They were very nice, said they were going to send out another pair. So I'm not sure if this is my replacement pair or if this is the pair for this month. Miss Catty Cat has joined us. Say hey, Miss Catty Cat. Hi. What are you doing? Sweet girl. Alright, so let's look and see what is in this EarFleek. You can customize this. You take a little quiz. There's a little swipe game where you can say what you like and don't like. They put you in, you know, Bohemian. I think I'm like Bohemian Minimalist or something like that. It comes in an envelope, then it comes in a bubbly envelope. Your turn. Geometric, eccentric, there's all kinds of different ones. I don't give a hoot, random, you know, just, now I got it. Okay, so this is a different pair. And, oh, how cute! Look at it says, winging it, Owl, Hoot, and Howler with these winging it studs featuring gold and rhinestone detail. Add these to your ear stack for a nerdy cute vibe. How adorable is that? They also have daily deals. If you log on there, you can get different earrings and things at deal prices. I haven't tried that. Oh, it actually says it has a vast inventory. Bracelets, necklace, hair clips, so much more. I haven't looked into that much yet. And I do have a referral link down below if you do want to try EarFleek, and I do appreciate it if you use my link. It helps me out. Thank you so very much. They say the MSRP on this bottom tier is normally $15.99. They say on the premium tier that it's $25 plus. I don't know about that. Let's just open it up. It comes in this little baggie. I want to see these owls. Oh my goodness. They're so stinking cute. What is it? You see something? Look how adorable those are. Oh my goodness, cute little owls. Y'all have been so bad. I have not been feeding my birds. I feel so guilty because normally I would not let a bird feeder go empty. Y'all know that about me, and I just, you know, since I've been sick for so long, it's kind of just let it go. I feel bad. And then I go to feed them and I'm like, it's cold outside and I don't want my, you know, sinus infection or whatever I have to get worse. I hadn't left the house in like a month. Alright, so here we are. Aren't those darling? That is just so fun and cute. I'm really happy with this month. What do you think? Do you like them? I look in the mirror. Oh, just darling. It's too cute. Y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think of EarFleek, this month's earring, all that good stuff. I want to hear it all. Don't forget to press all those little buttons below. I love it. It helps me out if you do the thumbs up button, the little notification bell, the subscribe button, it is free to subscribe, and the share button, which lets you put the video on social media, well, a link to the video on social media. That way more people can find me and we can have more friends. So thank you so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.